get off from a shitty shift, and then we're gonna go check out the Borla exhaust on marketplace listing right now. We're gonna go withdraw money first, but we're gonna go check it out. It's on downtown Vancouver, but hopefully there's no dent or major scratches and no leaks. So we're gonna go check it out first, meet the guy, and yeah, I'll see you later. Shout out to my boy, bro, for hooking me up. We got this already. Then we're gonna install it tomorrow morning because today I'm too tired. I wanna go sleep. So yeah. Today we're gonna install the Borla exhaust that we got from the marketplace. Big shout out to Michael for hooking me up. And yeah, I'll see you in a bit. You might want to add more clearance to you so it'll be easier. So I suggest you put on your jack and put on this jack stand so you have more space, but you're gonna fold the exhaust. So just put it on your jack stand, be safe, make sure that you're safe before you start. So yeah, let's start. So before we start, we want to do a quick wipe down of the exhaust because we couldn't clean anymore while it's installed. So just do a quick wipe down, make it clean a little bit until you can, then put it to the car. So before you start, you might want to use 40mm socket and 1/2 inch to hold it, because you're gonna remove the spring bolt on your exhaust system. So just try to loosen it slowly to avoid falling down on your face, because you're gonna fall down on your face if you do it too quick. So a good tip, if you're alone, just put your jack stand over there so it won't fall down on you. Be careful, be safe, so you won't damage your exhaust system, just in case you need it in the future. You will need to remove your exhaust from the hanger over here. It will be easier if you have tools, but if you don't have any tools, you can use your hands basically, but it's much harder. So yeah, let's do it. Now you can remove your exhaust from the hanger. There's some tool you can use for it, but I don't have that kind of tool right now because we're building up the garage for a little bit. So you can use whatever tool you can get from your garage or your house. Just wanna press it in. So there we go, we got it. We removed it after a long fight. We're gonna do the 2 hangers from the behind, and then we can remove the whole exhaust system after. Remember the jack stand that I talked about earlier? Now he's holding the exhaust system so it won't fall down on the ground and damage it. So you can use this trick pretty much easier for you if you're alone, or else you can have somebody to hold it for you. But if you're doing it alone, you can just put your jack stand and hold it, keep it safe. Now for the other side, you can do the same thing, same trick. Okay, done. So you can just lower it down, then we're good. I'm gonna show you why you want to put your jack stand on it. I'm just gonna remove the exhaust from the hanger, and you will find out why you need the jack stand to hold your exhaust system. Okay, I'll show you why jack stand was needed when you remove the hanger. Trust me, you want to use jack stand. You don't want fall it down on your face or fall it down on the ground. You're gonna break it, or either you break it or you get injured. So put your jack stand, please be safe. Out with the old exhaust. Now we're gonna do the Borla exhaust. We're gonna install it now, and then we're gonna do a rev check, sound check, cold start. I hope you stick around to find out. Finally, it's time. We're gonna put on the Borla exhaust. Just remove the old exhaust from the system, and we're gonna put on the new exhaust now. So check out for the end, because I'm gonna do sound check, rev check, cold start, and yeah, all the good stuff. So please stay tuned and check it out. Time to put on the new Borla exhaust. I hope you can see it, but I have a jack stand behind me to hold it because I'm alone right now. It's finally time to put on the Borla exhaust. See, as you can see, I put on the jack stand over here to put it higher a little bit and it won't fall down on my face. Just keep using jack stand to hold it if you're alone. Please be safe. I don't want you to get hurt. Okay, and then I put on one spring first to secure it a little bit, and then let's install it, then we can hear it. Same thing. You will use 14 mm like what you did earlier, and then you just do it the same thing as you did removing it. Okay, good. Okay, now for the second part, the Y pipe. We're gonna put the Y pipe on, and then we're gonna put on the tips after, and pretty much it. Then we can hear it. Now it's finally time to put on the tips for the exhaust. Just adjust the clamp a little bit and loosen the clamp a little bit again till you get that space. Bring on the exhaust was too easy. I need some more wind, bro. I'm fucking dead. He's almost out. Finally, Borla exhaust is on the hanger and it's installed already. So we're just gonna go tighten up this clamp, and we're ready to lower down the car and then do the rev check. So finally, the Borla exhaust is already installed in our car, BRZ, and I will show it to you later on. I'm just gonna go wash my hand, and I'm gonna go cold start the engine and rev it, and hope you like it. Stay tuned. Peace. Yo, what's up everyone? I've been driving the BRZ for a while now, and let me tell you, I like the exhaust. The exhaust feels good. There's no drone, minimal to non-drone. It feels nice, the sound nice. It pops sometimes when you downshift, but not all the time. But hey, that's why we like it. We don't want it to be obnoxious. We want it to be like good sound, deep tone, but not too raspy. And yeah, I'm in love with it. I like it.
Nice.
So if you want some exhaust recommendation, I recommend Borla S-Type on the BRZ. And yeah, so I'll see you in the next vid.